Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Holidays with the Housewife video. Today I have a really cool layered paper craft for you. This is my winter snow globe layered paper craft. Isn't that just so pretty? I love how the glitter just sparkles and makes it just so wintry. I love the little Christmas saying on the snow globe itself, the fun scene with the different animals just frolicking around in the winter forest. This project comes together very quickly and I can't wait to show it to you. So let's gather our materials and get started. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project was part of Holidays with the Housewife 2023. To make this project, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. If you'd like access to the entire event from 2023, including bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing, you can purchase the VIP Access Pass at thebeardedhousewife.com/HWTH23. I have links to both of these options in the description box below. No matter how you purchase the cut file, make sure to download the cut file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. If we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that our project has been brought into our canvas. Now I have sized this design appropriately to fit within the cutting dimensions of the 12 by 12 cutting mat. It is a little bit smaller than 11.5 inches wide. If you're going to be using this design on a card or in a shadow box and you want to resize the design, you can go ahead and do that in the sizing options. Just make sure to keep the proportions locked so you don't distort the design at all. I'm going to go ahead and click Make It. And you can see the different mats for this project. Go ahead and click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to put everything together. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. I do include a layering guide within the download to help visualize how to layer all these different pieces together. But to go from back to front, we're going to start with the white, then the darkest blue, royal blue, this is a lighter blue, cream, pale blue, This would be the orangish color in the layering guide, but I actually chose to use glitter cardstock, gold glitter cardstock, and then gray. You can add foam squares if you wish to add some dimension to the design. I would probably only add the foam squares to the back of this royal blue color. I'm going to go ahead and layer everything together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. And there is our winter snow globe layered paper craft. What did you think of this paper craft? Isn't it beautiful? I love the tranquility of that scene. It's just super, super fun. I hope that you like it. If you make this paper craft, I hope that you share it with me, whether that be through email or through our Facebook group. I would love to see your creations. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Holidays with the Housewife video. Bye.